Good evening, everyone, and welcome to New Year's Eve Kennebunk. I am the Reverend Laura Campbell, and I serve this lovely congregation, First Parish, Unitarian Universalist Church, and we are so happy that you are able to join us here around your homes and around the towns in southern Maine and maybe even beyond. Tonight's events have been sponsored by First Parish, Unitarian Universalist Church, the town of Kennebunk, and the Brickstore Museum. I hope you've been enjoying the tutorials and information that the Brickstore has been providing for us. It's a great service, and they really do a lot to help bring history alive in our communities. Are we ready to start our countdown? All right, so here comes our blueberry. Right as it comes down, coming on down. The blueberry consists of about 1,000 LED lights. It is actually a repurposed lawn ornament. Fun facts about our blueberry. All right, here we go.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Woo! Yay! 21, all right, we beat the odds.